Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the ChatGPT Go plan absolutely free for 1 year in India. Alright, let's get started. Open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Click on the official ChatGPT website. This will open the ChatGPT home screen. Next, click on Sign Up. You can continue with your Google account or use any email ID. Once your account is created and you log in, you'll be on the ChatGPT home screen. Now, look at the top side, click on the Upgrade for Free button. Here you'll see 4 different plans: the Free plan, the Go plan, the Plus plan, and the Pro plan. The ChatGPT Go plan is now free for 1 year in India. Make sure you're in the Personal tab, not Business. Then, select the Go plan and click on Upgrade to Go. You might see a small pop-up with 2 payment options, but don't worry, that's just for setup. Since it's a free plan, no payment will be charged, though they might deduct 1 rupee temporarily for verification. You can choose any payment method, either card or UPI. If you choose card, just enter your card details as shown in the video. If you choose UPI, fill in the required information and proceed. After confirming your details, the subscribe button will be activated. Click on subscribe and that's it. It may take a few seconds to process, and you'll also receive a confirmation message or email from ChatGPT once your plan is successfully activated. Now your ChatGPT Go plan is active. You can start chatting, asking questions, creating content, and exploring all the amazing features ChatGPT offers. If you ever want to cancel this subscription, go to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon, Settings, Account. Then, open the drop-down and select either View Plans or Cancel Subscription. If you like my video, hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram, link is in the description. You can also watch other tutorials on my channel.